In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust line spacing in Outlook emails. If you want your email to look cleaner, easier to read, or a little more professional, changing the line spacing can make a big difference. This is especially helpful when you're sending longer messages and you want the formatting to feel more organized instead of cramped or uneven. The good news is that Outlook makes this pretty simple once you know where to look. To get started, open Outlook on your computer. After Outlook loads, click on Mail so you're in the email section. This is where you can view your inbox, manage your messages, and create a new email. Next, click New Mail to open a fresh message window. Once the new email appears, go ahead and enter your email content in the message body. You can type a short message or paste in a longer draft if you already have one prepared. It's usually easiest to adjust line spacing after your text is already in place, because then you can immediately see how the spacing changes the overall appearance of your message. After you've entered your message, look toward the top of the email window. In the formatting area, you'll see the options related to adjusting spacing. This is where Outlook gives you control over how close together or far apart your lines appear. If your message feels too tight and crowded, adding a little more spacing can improve readability. If it looks too spread out, you can choose a tighter option for a more compact layout. From there, simply select the line spacing option you prefer. As you choose different settings, pay attention to how the text looks in the email body. The best choice depends on the kind of email you're sending. For example, a professional message often looks best with clean, moderate spacing, while a casual note may be fine with the default setting. The goal is to make your message comfortable to read without making it look cluttered or overly stretched. Before sending the email, it's a good idea to quickly review the message one more time. Check that the spacing looks consistent throughout and that the formatting matches the tone of your email. Small adjustments like this can make your communication look much more polished. That's all it takes to adjust line spacing in Outlook emails. Once you've done it a couple of times, it becomes a quick habit that can noticeably improve the way your emails look.